How you doing? What if I told you I speak Gen Z? Nah, I'm just playing. I see the data just like you, but in real time, not the next day. So this is not another founder story of, hey, I fixed something for myself and look what I did. It's more of, hey, I sat in the crap of these financial institutions for quite some time and understand their pain. And so you're probably going to ask, why would we need this? Why would a consumer want this? Why does a financial institution need this as well? It's okay. I mean, it's hard to imagine letting strangers stay in your house and get paid for it, or drive your car and get paid for it. Times are changing. Quick answer is Gen Zs and millennials, they crave loyalty and rewards for doing the same things they already do today and where they're at. And that's the difference between what Gen Z banking is. It's not just an experience, which people always believe, oh, cool, but no, it's inside where they're at of the brand's app. So about us, we're a group came from Capital One. We built things like CreditWise, Money App. We've been through a digital transformation and a core transformation. We understand your pain of where you're at right now. Did you hear Walmart just announced a $2.5 billion valuation with their fintech startup to embed online account opening and servicing for checking and savings accounts inside the Walmart consumer app for loyalty? So if you think about that, that's cool. But is there something else for smaller financial institutions to participate in? I mean, this is Finovate, right? So you did come here to see some new stuff. So here's some problems. Innovation is accelerating. Smaller credit unions and banks just can't keep up these days. They face neobank and large bank problems with their brand fintech revenue streams, but they can't work with the smaller financial institutions because they know they don't have the tech or the people to operate that sophisticated stuff. And so when traditional institutions are stuck in slow digital transformations and core migrations, like how do they get unstuck? And so these new challenges that are hitting us in the industry, tariffs, pay-by-bank interchange loss concerns, until now. So we're going to go over to the app now to show the iPhone. Just imagine shopping inside a retail app like you normally would, but you get $150 to sign on to an online account opening experience. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this embedded banking platform that's embedded inside the brand's app to show you just that. And so imagine things like shopping, commerce, grocery chains, gaming platforms, you name it. Taylor Swift event. These embedded, let me see here. Wasn't prepared to do my driver's license, just a second. So we're going to do the driver's license check. I didn't do the back. It's going to scan my OCR, which is great. It's going to take my selfie, left and right. You know how this works. Yay. And it's going to go through. Now, what you're going to see here is I'm not going to show you funding the account instantly, but I am going to show you the data that's already connected inside this app. It's all in one place experience to reduce that anxiety. So if you think about all accounts in one place, and then you think about a real-time payments experience, like what does that look like? Oh, I'm going to go ahead and transfer some money. I'm going to go ahead and do it outside the financial institution. I'm going to do, I don't know, 10,000 bucks, and I'm going to say slide to confirm. Well, since it's not me yet, oh, that's me. I just stopped a lot of bad actor fraud because we don't allow individuals to move money outside your organization unless that face was on that driver's license that onboarded you to stop bad actor fraud. So by the way we onboard folks, we are removing pools of fraud that you just don't need to be a part of in order to do cool things like pay bills or even a remote deposit. And of course, I'm going fast because I don't have checks and we have time. And so when you think about how fast you can move money, or you can lock a card or file a dispute because people just don't like to talk to each other anymore. But what's better than this is that when you go back outside in the app, you now have a checkout window because you've already created an account. And you can go and check out and do pay by checking account with that brand and that fan and that financial institution. So next thing is we're going to go to the back to the laptop to show you how this entire demo works from the back end, because anybody can build you a cool, sexy front end. But it's how you operate in the back office that removes all of those audit issues that you all run across. And so our dashboard gives you a metrics. It shows you how many new users you've had this month. This is all real time because our platform is connected like your digital banking platform, but a sidecar to it. It still connects into your existing banking providers just like your digital banking platform. So we're a healthy sidecar. But when you think about what does it give you? Well, it also gives you a lightweight API gateway. So you know when your vendors are down. No more customers or members are going to be calling saying you're down. That's just, it's silly. And so this looks like a lot, but you are 2 decades behind in technology, and it takes a lot to get you up to par. And so when you think about being able to handle all your billing through Amazon Marketplace, where they support you tier 1 on our platform, you have role-based user access for that granular permission, so certain people can see and do certain things. And you won't get fined for these things. You have user logs, just enough for your non-technical engineering teams to look in this and just get a little into innovation here. And then when you get into settings, it really does give you the holistic view of managing everything you need from API endpoints and all. So what does this really mean? The embedded banking piece is 100% managed inside this console. So you can go through and change whatever you want, and the mobile apps will change automatically on the mobile side without any engineering talent needed. Thank you very much.